Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox crashing. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your desktop. Here you just have to enter Windows plus R key, and then this thing will show up. App data, click OK. And then all you have to do is to tap this app data, go to local, scroll down and look for Roblox folder. And once you found it, all you have to do is to right click and then click delete. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, you can now do the same thing. Same method. You have to go to your desktop and then enter or click Windows plus R key. And then you can see here percent symbol, temp percent symbol. All you have to do is to click OK. Now scroll down again and look for the Roblox folder, and all you have to do is to simply delete this Roblox here. Right click and then click delete. Wait for a couple of seconds as your computer is deleting your Roblox. Now once done, you can now exit this part here. Okay, so the third thing to do is to go to your Roblox. You just have to search for Roblox here and then click this uninstall. It will take you directly to apps and features or install programs. You have to scroll down and look for Roblox player, tap this one, and then click uninstall, click yes. Okay, so now that you have uninstalled your Roblox, all you have to do now is to simply click any game. Okay, click the screen button, download and install Roblox again. And then after you download this, all you have to do is to simply go to that file folder, locate the Roblox player. Here you just have to right click and then go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that you check these two boxes here, apply, and then click OK. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.